I generally enjoy these processes at the origin, where the still rough lumber is primarily formed, creating partially usable geometries, heavy stock trimmed and shaped only partially, with rough build faces peering out along the edges. Long before the precise parallel precision needed has taken hold and made them something changed. When contemplated, this construction method seems simple and possibly an efficient use of lumber, which might be true. With my simple tools, and I'm sure some would argue this point, the work necessary in my shop is considerable. Cutting veneers for instruments constructed in this fashion is but a necessary step. The transformations are considerable, and the possibilities are not limited. It has its place. I will continue to use laminate construction to replicate instruments manufactured in this style. It's not my preferred form of construction. With dedicated tooling, I'm sure it's a very effective means. For me, I'll take delight in the details, and as always, work slowly and methodically through the process, and see what I can extract as a means to educate myself, and quite possibly some of you along the way. In my shop, this method doesn't even come close to being efficient or easy. In the beginning, I thought I would purchase ready-cut veneer, and these builds would be simple. Unfortunately, the thicknesses available in pre-cut veneer is limited. While the numbers can sum up, you lose a degree of control over not only the process, but the tone of the instrument. What I'm looking for, and I do understand how this varies from manufactured instruments, is a small number of veneers, cut precisely and to even dimensions, that in the end will create a relatively precise top and back thickness I'm shooting for. My method is extremely labor intensive and not suitable for manufacture. Still, as I've stated many times, this is not my goal to manufacture, but rather use manufacturing techniques to create art. Some say that with the equipment I have, it should be easy. To put this in perspective, while I do have some specialized equipment, it's far less expensive and less complicated than you see on most woodworking channels here on YouTube. My bandsaw is a 12-inch. Not one of those little desktop units, but it's not very big either. My resaw capacity is only 7 inches. I can get good results by using a blade made for this work. Check the link in the description. I know that not everyone has an 18-inch drum sander in their shop either. This one has become very useful and well worth the price, but it's not the most expensive machine. With modest equipment, it's relatively easy to do this work. The amount of work required is what puts it over the edge. hope this has brought some insight into this process. And thanks for watching.